Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be trying Bantu knot on kids natural hair. And if you are new to my channel, my name is BB50 Food. I make videos about food, lifestyle, natural hair DIYs, and please consider subscribing. I started by spraying her hair with water and leave-in conditioner. Her hair was freshly washed, so after spraying it, I just go ahead with some olive oil just to seal in the moisture. And after this, I'm going to now start with the pattern, and the most important thing in this style is the pattern. And now I'll just part her hair into 3 sections, and after that I'll part it again into subsections. I'm done parting her hair into 3 sections, and now I'll go ahead now to part it into subsections, and each of the subsections I'll part it in a triangular shape. And from there I'll now use a rubber band to tie the hair, and then before I braid it, it's going to be a protective style, so I'm just going to twist it out. And guys, just follow as I do. Here are the rubber bands I'm going to use. I'll just sprinkle a little bit of oil on it so that it will not be too tight on the hair. And after that, I'll just use it on the hair. And guys, this last section I'm going to be parting it into 3 subsections. I'm done with the two last section, and now I'm in front. And what you just saw me add to her hair is just edge control. It's just to hold, to slick the hair down, and also to add shine to her hair. I'm done twisting all her hair, and what I'm going to be doing now, I'll take each of the hair and wrap it at the base of each hair. And as I earlier said, I'm not going to be using any extra attachment. I just use only her hair. And if you don't really understand what I'm saying, please just watch it and maybe you understand what I mean. And this is all I have to do with the hair. Then I'll just add some accessories just to add some beauty to the hair. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have watched up to this extent, please guys consider subscribing, and I would love to hear your feedback concerning the hair, whether it's beautiful, and also to see you again in my next video. Thank you all so much. God bless you. Bye bye.